If you're seeing the x.com or Twitter profile update failed error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can update your name, bio, profile photo, or banner without getting stuck. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's caused by a simple browser problem, a character limit, or an image format issue. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump in. First, refresh the page and try updating your profile again. Sometimes X just has a temporary glitch and a simple reload is enough to clear it. If that does not work, check your profile details carefully. Make sure your display name, bio, and any other text fields do not exceed X's character limits. Even one extra character can cause the update to fail, so trim anything that looks too long and try again. If the problem happens when you're changing your profile picture or banner, make sure the image is in a supported format. X works best with JPEG, PNG, and GIF files. If your file is in another format, convert it first. Also, if the image is too large, reduce the file size and upload it again. Oversized images can trigger upload errors, even if the file type is correct. Next, try logging out of X and logging back in. This can refresh your session and fix account syncing issues that stop profile changes from saving properly. If you're still getting the same error, it's time to clear the site data for X in your browser. To do that, go to x.com in your browser. Click the icon next to the address bar. From there, open Site Settings. Then click Delete Data. After that, reload X and sign in again. This clears stored site data that may be causing the profile update to fail, and it often resolves the issue right away. Once you've completed those steps, try updating your profile one more time. In many cases, one of those fixes will solve the problem and your changes will save normally. If it still isn't working, the issue may be temporary on X's side, so waiting a little while and trying again later can also help. I hope this video helped you fix the x.com profile update failed error. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.